In this video, I would like to show you how to create and connect a MySQL database in cPanel. MySQL, MySQL, however you wish to pronounce it. We're going to set it up. I'll give you some quick tips, and you'll see that it's actually very simple. Okay. Of course, we want to log into cPanel, and we want to go to the Databases module folder. We'll go here. And we are going to click on MySQL Databases. Not the database wizard, but databases. MySQL Databases. Click that. Right here, what we're going to do is we are going to create a new database. We are going to add a new user. And after that, we are going to merge the database and the user together. Let's see here. Create new database. I've been working on this a little bit, so I'm going to go with testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as the database name. You want to keep a little folder, and I'm sorry, just maybe keep note of that. Maybe copy and paste it onto a notepad file just so you have it, because you'll need that when you want to set up your config files. So we're going to go ahead and create this database. Okay, we're all set. We're going to go back. The database has been named and created. Okay, and now we are going to create a user. We'll use the same. You can use the same name for the user if you like. It just kind of makes it easier, I guess. You know, it really depends on your preference. But I'm just going to go ahead and use testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And when you go in to add to your config file, it does make it kind of easy when the database name and the username are the same. Okay. For the password, I just use the password generator. It's going to create a super strong password for you. It's I consider it an excellent way to go. And we'll go ahead and we'll click that. So we have a very strong password. We have the username, and we are going to create the user. Remember to copy and paste your password. Let me do that again. Password generator. You copy it and go ahead and put it on that notepad file that you have. So when you need it to enter into your config files, it's readily available. All right, so we have a very strong password. We're going to create user. Now that's done. So we have a username and we have a database name. They're showing up here because they're the only database and user created in this account. If you have an account with several, you'll see multiple there. You need to make sure these two match with what you just created and before you merge them. So we're going to add these two together, this username and this database name. We're going to click add. And I'm going to go ahead and tick all privileges. And what I'm going to do is say make changes. Right down here at the lower left, make changes. All right, we have just merged the database. You can see right here, success. You saved testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 privileges on the database testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right, so that's done. After that, what you would want to do is go here to my PHP MyAdmin, and you'll see that the database you created is right here. Okay. So you'd want to highlight that. Then you're going to click on SQL, and this is where you're going to drop in your query. You can go ahead and paste it in here. Your SQL query, and then you're all set. You'll click go, and you're good. Database is ready, and then you just need to config your website files. Very simple process. If you're looking for a great deal on cPanel hosting, you can go to joeusa.com, click on hosting, and then cPanel. We have a starter plan starting at $1.49 a month. With ICANN fees and taxes, it probably come out to, I believe it comes out to $17.88 per year. But it's a great plan. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.